Dear students, I am Mrs. K. Kalachelvi. I am from Department of EEE. I am going to handle the paper B8255 Basic Electrical, Electronics and Measurements Engineering. Today we will see about the electric circuit analysis. What is meant by electric circuit? Circuit is any path along which electrons can flow. Circuit is any path along which electrons can flow is called as electric circuit. There are two types of circuit. One is open circuit, another one is closed circuit. See the circuit diagram. When the switch is open, there will be no current flow. When the switch is closed, there will be a current flow. So, when the circuit is closed, the current will flow through the circuit. So, electrons will only flow if the circuit is complete with no gaps. Closed circuits are complete and allow the flow of current. But open circuits are broken and do not allow the flow of electrons. Next, we will see about the basic laws. What are the basic laws? Ohm's law, Kirchhoff law. And next, we will see about the concept of series resistor, parallel resistors, and finally, Y-delta transformations. They are the basics of electric circuit analysis. Then, Ohm's law. See the circuit. If the switch is closed, the current will glow. That is the ammeter that indicates the current. When the switch is closed, the ammeter indicates the current. According to Ohm's law, the voltage across a resistor is directly proportional to the current I flowing through the resistor. According to Ohm's law, the voltage across a resistor is directly proportional to the current I flowing through the resistor. So, V equal to IR. That is, voltage is proportional to current. V is proportional to I. The proportionality constant is resistance. Resistance is represented by the symbol shown in figure. That is nothing but a speed breaker symbol. Okay. What is meant by resistance? Resistance is a opposition offered to the flow of current. Resistance is the opposition offered to the flow of current. So, according to Ohm's law, the voltage across the resistor is directly proportional to current. V is proportional to I. That is V equal to IR. V equal to IR. Mathematically, Ohm's law is V equal to IR. Now see the circuit. When there will be one resistance and the switch is closed, the ammeter denotes more current. When there will be one resistance and the switch is closed, the ammeter denotes more current. When the resistance is added, the current is decreased. See the meter, the current is decreased when the resistance is added. But when the battery is added, the voltage is increased and the current is also increased. Now the battery is increased, the current is also increased. See the meter, you can see the amount of current flowing through the circuit. So when the switch is open, the circuit is open circuit, there will be no current flow. When the switch is closed, the circuit is closed and the current is flow through the circuit. Okay. So, according to Ohm's law, the voltage across the resistor is directly proportional to the current I flowing through the resistors at constant temperature. That is the limitation of Ohm's law. At constant temperature is the limitation of Ohm's law. So, Ohm's law is equal to V. That is equal to IR. V equal to IR. Okay. Next, we will see the branch and node. What is meant by branch? Branch is a single element such as voltage source or a resistor. Voltage source or a resistor. A single resistor is called as branch. A single resistor or a single voltage source is called as branch. Next, node. What is meant by node? Node is the point of connection between two or more branches. Node is the point of connection between two or more branches. See the diagram in which there will be meeting point of elements, that is called as node. So in the node, the current I1, I2, I3, I4 are flowing. The current I1 and I4, I2, I3 are flowing and meeting at a point, single point, that is called as node. The current I1 is the incoming current. The current I2 is also the incoming current. The current I3 and I4 are the outgoing current. So, node is the point of connection between two or more branches. Next, we will see about the loops and networks. What is meant by loop? A loop is any closed path in a circuit. See the diagram in which the red symbol indicates the loop. That is the closed boundary is the loop. Next, the network. A network is a branch, node and independent loop. It consists of branches, nodes and independent loop that satisfy the equation B equal to L plus N minus 1. B equal to L plus N minus 1. It is frequently asked in gate questions. This formula is frequently asked in gate questions. B equal to L plus N minus 1. Where B is number of branches, L is number of loops, N is number of nodes. B is number of branches, L denotes number of loops, N stands for number of nodes. Next we will see about the example for nodes and branch. See the circuit shown in figure. In the circuit, this is the original circuit in which the A, B, C is the node. They are the meeting point of elements. 10 volt voltage source and the 5 ohm resistance are connected at the point A. So A is also a node. Then the point B, 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 2 ampere is connected in the point B. So the B is a next node and next C. All are connected. All the negative points are connected in C. That is also a node. So A, B, C is a node. And it is the diagram which will be modified for simplification. So the A, B, C are the nodes and the branches. 10 volt is one branch, 5 volt is second branch, 2 ohm is third branch, 3 ohm is fourth branch and the 2 ampere is fifth branch. So the number of branches is 5. Then loops. Closed path is loop. 10 volt, 5 ohm, 2 ohm. That is A, B, C is a one loop. And B and C, 2 ohm and 3 ohm. So second loop. And finally, 3 ohm and 2 ampere is a third loop. 3 ohm and 2 ampere is a third loop. According to the formula, B equal to L plus N minus 1. So how many branches, nodes, loops are there? So according to formula, the node, number of node is 3. A, B, C, 3. Number of loop is also 3. ABC is first loop, BC is second loop and BC with the 3 ohm and 2 ampere is the third loop. So there are 3 loops, 3 nodes. So B equal to L plus N minus 1. So the branches equal to 3 plus 3 minus 1, that is equal to. So the branches is equal to 5 for this example.